What's up guys, it's your girl Amber K. So to achieve this Joker cut, we're going to use this glue, but I recommend Elmer's glue. I just grabbed the glue that I had at the moment. You can tell that this glue was not going to dry clear because I obviously didn't thin it out enough. My mistake. So we finna let that dry. I couldn't wait, so I just grabbed the blow dryer. So the third layer did not dry clear and I was really mad about it, but I just went in with some concealer just to make it look natural, at least. So when you're doing this part, you gotta be patient, which I wasn't. Just make sure you don't cut yourself. All you have to do is lift and cut, lift and cut. Y'all, I don't know what I was doing with that red lipstick, but I was trying to achieve something out of that. If you want to know how I made that fake blood, just click the link down below. And this is how it came out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.